Yo, what is going on, guys? Hess here, CollectiveKicks.com. If you guys want to shop this week's top sneaker deals, check the link in the description, and happy shopping, as well as if you want to buy any of the shoes that you see in this video. In today's video, they'll have a bunch of sneakers that you can see that were sent over by ASICS Tiger. But big shout out to the people that made this happen and sent these over my way. Much appreciated. And kind of crazy because they were sent out to my old house because a lot of companies don't have my new address. So if you do, by the way, need my new address to any companies out there, check my email in the description and email me for the new address. But luckily, I still have that property over at the old house, so I was able to go ahead and get the packages from them. But this is insane, though. You could see all of the packages. We'll start off, and I'm just going to go through these randomly. This one is a Gel-Saga, as you can see here. It says black and rich gold. And here's a look at the first pair right here. Themed after the Bushido, like, samurai code. And you can see it has like a lot of inspiration from that all over the shoe. But I love the little accents of the gold, and it's pretty simple looking, but it also has like a nice little detailing underneath the ASICS logo, as well as the insoles here. And the laces, obviously, which I can't read that. And then on the bottom, it has a nice little theme through the clear soles. So nice all-around theme on the ASICS Gel-Saga. That's the first pair, though. Let's go ahead and show you guys the next one. This is a Gel-Lyte 3 in the Bushido pack, and I'm a big fan of the Gel-Lyte 3s in general. But the bottoms are really cool on this one, as you can see through the clear sole. And then you have lots of that same theme through the entire upper underneath the ASICS logo and on the tongue. And if you didn't know, the 3s have the split tongue right here anyway. And then you have the text on the laces again. And this is kind of like a nappy sort of suede material on here. And I like that they did the little dots right here in the front in red and black. Kind of ties the theme together of the shoe. But this one's super clean in my opinion. Definitely a nice looking shoe. I like also the red liner on here and the red heel counter. Nice little accent to it. It looks like a really solid colorway, and it kind of reminds you of like a collaboration, but this isn't like an in-house collaboration with ASICS. And next up, this one says this is a Gel-Kayano 5 OG. And this is another one. I believe this is the third one in that pack. So they sent like 3 of the pack, which is nuts. I like the collar and the insole on this one, how it just kind of flows together. How it has that interesting little pattern all over the place. If you guys are familiar with this model, though, and you've worn them, leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know how comfortable they are. But it says right here on the side, Duo Max, which is kind of fun. And then a little logo on the back here, and then on the side for ASICS. Then the big logo across the shoe right here. And I like the design here, how it comes up and is actually the lace holes right there. But cool colorway, too, in black and white and red, and a nice theme throughout the shoe. So that's a look at the Busha pack, and I think the 3s are definitely my favorite out of the 3. I thought this was it, and then all of a sudden I got another pack with 4 more pairs. I was like, this is crazy. So let's show you guys these ones. So this is another Gel-Saga, but this one is actually one I think I like better than the other Saga. I might have called it Gel-Lyte, but it's just a Gel-Saga. Anyway, this colorway I think is super fire. This is supposed to be part of the Peace pack, and you could see it has kind of like a nice sort of peaceful tone with the grays, neutral all over the shoe. But I like the way that they put this one together also. It just looks really, really clean. And it does kind of look peaceful. Look at the design underneath the toe box here too. And just the clouds and stuff and the cherry blossoms in the shoe. Definitely a nice looking colorway in my opinion. So this is the Gel-Saga. And that is the first one. Moving on, we do have another one here, and this is a Gel-Lyte V, which is actually my favorite ASICS model out of all of the ones that they offer. That Gel-Lyte V is super comfortable, and this colorway is fresh, just super fresh in my opinion. They have the Japanese font all over the shoe, and again with the same theme as the other one on the inside with the clouds and the cherry blossoms. Really clean looking colorway, but I think this one's my favorite one out of all the ones that they sent. So far. This 5 is just really, really fresh. So moving on, we still have 2 more pairs. This is crazy, man. And this is the Gel Quantum 184. Now, I don't know anything about this Gel Quantum stuff at all, so I'm not going to pretend to. This is one that they said is part of the Space Pack, and you can see the crazy logo, how iridescent it looks. Is pretty awesome. The midsole kind of gleams as well on the lighting. And I believe this is the 180 because of the gel is only on part of the midsole. But I love the upper of the shoe, how it's like textured, kind of crazy. And then you have that crazy logo. It's like a really cool space age blue and pink on the insole and the logo. And they're just a wild and crazy looking pair of sneakers. So that is the first one. And then this is the Gel Quantum 364. So that one's the 180. This is the 360. And the reason why this is a 360, it looks like, is because the gel is all the way around the midsole. And this technology looks really crazy. You can see this squishy gel through the midsole. You can see the squishy gel through the midsole of the shoe. It looks really, really comfortable. And I definitely feel like I need to give these a separate review for you guys on the channel, just to compare other cushioning technologies and see how these stack up. This is a really cool little iridescent heel cup, and it says Gel Quantum 360 across back here. All black upper though. It looks just super clean and super simple. You do have an embroidered logo right here for the ASICS. Pretty simple, pretty clean. You do have one pink eyelet here on each side, and then the pink ASICS logo, and then that space blue on the bottom. So this is the other part of the space pack. So man, that is a lot of sneakers. I'm going to just line them up real quick. But as you guys may or may not know on my channel, I am trying to downsize my collection a little bit. So getting 7 pairs is sort of insane and awesome at the same time. But I only want to keep a couple pairs of these out of the 7 that they sent. And I'm going to just give away the other 5 to you guys that leave comments and like this video. So the 2 that I'm going to keep the 5s, because this one is my favorite out of all of them that they sent over. And because of the technology involved with this one, I really want to keep the 360 Quantums and see how these are on feet. And then we'll try to do a follow-up video for comfort and whatnot on those ones. But I do want to give away the other 5 in the backdrop here. So simple giveaway. They're size 9.5s. So I really am hoping that they can go to somebody that is a 9.5. But you can also enter the giveaway for like a friend or a family that is a 9.5. So to enter the giveaway, it's going to be pretty simple. Just leave a comment in the comment section. Any comment that you want. And then at the end of the comment, leave a hashtag ASICSXHeskicks. And then I'll just randomly select 5 comments that will end up winning the shoes. And in no particular order. So you don't really get a say of which one you're going to win. I'm just going to go down the list. But I figure this is the fairest way I can do another one of my giveaways. It's been a while since I've done this. And I do appreciate all the love that the brand sends. But man, 7 shoes is just too many for me. I would love to keep them, honestly, and hoard some of these ones. Because some of these other ones, like this one, is just super fire. I would rock this one. But at the end of the day, I can't keep that many shoes. And feel good about that, knowing that I'm trying to downsize at the same time. So these 2 are mine. These 5 are your guys's. Leave a comment in the comment section. Also give the video a thumbs up if you guys can do that. It's appreciated. Shout out to ASICS again and the people that sent these over my way. Thank you so much for thinking of me. But I'll be choosing winners for the giveaway in about a week or so. The rules in the description of the video for those that just want to see how to win. But thank you guys for watching. It is much appreciated. For those that are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and notification bell to be notified of when the videos go live. And have a great rest of the day. More videos for you guys very soon. Peace, guys.